How do you use a number line to add fractions? In this lesson, you will learn how to add fractions by using a number line. Let's review. A number line is measured by common intervals of length. Here, the unit interval is 1 whole. The intervals between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and so on are all the same length, and this can continue on forever. To make a unit fraction on the number line, you partition the unit interval into equal lengths. If you look at this number line, the unit interval is 1/4. The intervals between 1/4 and 2/4, 2/4 and 3/4, and so on, are all the same distance. This can continue past 1 as well. A common misunderstanding when adding fractions is when you try to combine fractions with different denominators. The unit fractions are different lengths and cannot be added together. Let's look at this, 2/8 and 3/8, and I want to combine them together. I have a length of 2/8, or 2 1/8 sections, and I'm going to add them to a length of 3/8, or 3 1/8 sections. Altogether, I have 5 1/8 sections, or 5/8. I've traveled a distance of 5/8. Let's look at another example. 4/5 and 2/5. Here, I know by looking at the denominator that my unit fraction is 1/5, so I'm going to divide my number line into fifths. Now, I have 4 1/5 sections that I'm going to add to 2 1/5 sections for a combined total of 6 fifths. Now, let's use a number line to add 3/4 and 2/4. What unit fraction will you use to divide your number line? I'm going to look at the denominator, and I see a 4, so I know my unit fraction is 1/4. I'm going to then divide my number line into 1/4 sections. Now, I'll take 3 1/4 sections, or 3/4, and add them to 2 1/4 sections, or 2/4, for a total of 5/4. In this lesson, you have learned how to add fractions by combining the lengths of the fractions on a number line.